Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today, we're going to be covering the top 3 things that I've uncovered being a real estate coach. I have been coaching real estate agents and team leaders across North America, US and Canada. And the one common thing that I see across the board is they think too small. Real estate agents come in and team leaders come in, and the first thing we do is we talk about what's the vision and the dream for their business. So that's my question to you guys, like right now. What's the vision and dream of your business? Where do you want it to be in 10 years? As Jim Collins would put it, what's that big, hairy, audacious goal? When team leaders come into me, I usually hear things like, well, sell 100 homes, sell 200 homes, sell 300 homes. And I always push back. I'm like, really? That's it? That's all you want to do? The problem is they put self-limiting beliefs on themselves because of the top agents at their current brokerage or the top agents in their marketplace. I mean, I know where I'm at. The top agent for years was selling about 400 to 500 homes. And I came through, it was about 4 years ago, I said, I'm going to be the #1 team leader in the country. I'm going to sell more homes than anyone else. And that number has evolved, right? 4 years ago, it was a few thousand homes. Now it's over 5,000 homes, but I'm still on that path to being the #1 team in the country. So my question to you guys is, what is your 10-year BHAG, big, hairy, audacious goal? What's the dream for your business? And once you start to uncover that, is it big enough? Are you thinking, this is realistic, like a SMART goal? Like, yeah, well, we could sell 500 homes. I could totally see that. Or is it something that gives you just like almost a sickness in the pit of your stomach, gives you chills where you're like, I don't know how the heck we're going to get there or how I'm going to do this, but that is the dream for my business. And once you uncover that, now it's time to cascade that message down to everyone on your team. At one of the last masterminds we did, one of the team leaders there, I asked this question. I said, what is your dream? And after working with that person for about the better part of 30 minutes, we uncovered it. I said, now, knowing that this is your dream, how many of your current team members know this? And he goes, none. Then how do you expect them to follow you if there's nothing to follow? You were in the military for years. You knew what the common mission was. Everybody knew. And you were all working towards that goal. How could you expect people on your team to operate any other way? And he just looked at me and goes, you're 100% right. I'm almost sick to my stomach that I didn't realize this. Guys, this is the #1 most common mistake, is not having a goal 10 years from now that gives you makes this pit in your stomach and cascading that message down to all of your people. So #1, you got to have a big, hairy, audacious goal, as Jim Collins would put it, something that you're going to be able to sell to get the right people to come and work towards that vision with you. #2 is having a clear focus on exactly who you are, why you exist, and what you do. And here's what I mean by that. I ask agents all the time, talk to me a little bit about your business strategy or your business plan. And I just get looked at with a blank face. I sell real estate. That's great. I understand that you sell real estate. That's the vehicle that you use. But why do you exist? What is your purpose as a business? How are you represented? Like, what are the people you're trying to attract into your business? Then from there, what are your goals? What are your plans? And what we call this is either a business strategy or business plan. And that business plan is to bring focus into the vision of the business. And most real estate agents and team leaders don't have that. Guys, having a clear-cut business plan is essential. It's an essential component because it does more than just say, here's where we're at now and here's where we're going. It's also going to include things of who we are, who you are as a team, who you are as a business owner, who you are as a company, what you stand for as a company. And that's crucial. Those are called core values. And you attract people in by what you stand for. And then it's being able to communicate the 1 year, maybe 3 year and 10-year vision or goals for your business to make sure the people that you're hiring in align with those. Having a plan of attack in place, so to speak, a North Star that everyone can refer to, keeps you on track for completion. This is one of the main reasons 99.9% of real estate teams never hit the pinnacle of success. Having a business plan. Now, if you don't have one, get one. And if you don't know how to put one together, we have additional resources, or get a coach who can help you put one together, because it'll be worth its weight in gold. Number 3 is people. Now, you're in the people business. I'm sure you've heard of this before. Yeah, I'm in the people business, right? And most agents think buyers and sellers, right? I'm in the buyer and seller business. Technically, yes, but the people I'm referring to are people inside of your company. I've been in this game for more than 15 years. I've been through all the gurus, all the coaches, all the conferences, and each one sells you on a shiny new nickel, a brand new concept, when in fact, that's all relative but means nothing to you. Because true business owners are visionaries. They put a vision in place, and they put a plan of attack in place and attract the right people in. See, team leaders lose this. They don't understand what the business they're really in. Entrepreneurs, visionaries, they're in the business of attracting the right people into their company. They don't know everything about marketing. They don't know everything about prospecting. They don't know everything about operations. They don't know everything. What they do know is how to attract the right people and get them on the right seat on the bus. And a common mistake that agents and team leaders make is they always look for the cheapest talent. And what I mean by that is it's not really even talent, it's just help. They're always looking at hiring your first admin, yet you're looking for a virtual assistant to pay $4 an hour to, or hiring someone to handle social marketing for you, yet you're once again trying to find someone at $9, $10, rather than investing in your business's future and getting the right people. And by right people, I mean people who live, eat, breathe, sleep your company values. They're the right people. And then getting them in the right seat on the bus. The right seat means they get that seat, like their mind is hardwired for that seat. They want it. They actually wake up excited every single day, and they have the capacity to do it. They have the capacity to grow in that seat, to have the emotional, the intellectual, they got everything they need to do the seat at the highest level. Once you start focusing on that, everything changes. Those are my 3 things that I've learned as a real estate coach. And hopefully this helps you guys. I invite you to continue to watch more of our videos and subscribe if you found this valuable. I will see you guys on the other side.